Hello and welcome to this week's Just the Tip. My name is Corey with Meat and Potatoes Organizing, and today I want to kind of give you a little bit of insight into improving human performance. And it's just a really small tip today, but I think it makes a very deep and meaningful impact on your life. And it is the simple act of closing out your office before the next day. And what I mean by that is kind of what I do is I work left to right along my table. I clear up papers. I put them in specific piles, like things I need to do tomorrow, maybe later this week, maybe some prep work for meetings later this week that I've been working on. And I kind of look at it and mindfully assess whether or not I need to do something with it or it's just going to wait there until, it's time. Pick up all my pens, put all my papers, all my notes together, and just simply the act of tidying up my desk, tidying up the things around me. And then the last thing I do is once I get everything tidied up, I write my priority list for the next day. So, of course, we all have a million things going on that we need to get done, but I like to list out the top 1, 2, sometimes 3 items that really actually need to get done the next day. And that just helps me a lot. Then once I come back into my office, I can see with clarity exactly what I need to get done that day. But it all starts with an awesome tidy and declutter of my physical desk and the things that are surrounding me in my office. So this week, I want you to give that a try. Before you close out your day, just set yourself a 5-minute, maybe a 10-minute if you need timer, and give yourself a little bit of just declutter time and prep for the next day. And then let me know how you feel the next day and see how that works. I'm so excited to hear how your little mini declutter goes. Let us know in the comments and we'll see you next week.